Well, flames, of course, are not the only danger firefighters face. They also have to worry about toxic chemicals they've been exposed to, even after a fire is out.
The Chicago Fire Department becomes a first in the nation today to adopt new technology to protect their health. WGN's Sean Lewis explains how it works.
Well, good evening. We know the hazards that Chicago firefighters face every day when they go out on calls. And while they have those respirators for breathing out on those situations, it's what's left on their protective gear that has been a concern for years. Today, a new technology using pressurized carbon dioxide was debuted here on the southwest side to help clean those uniforms.
There we go. Yeah.
Today, a ribbon cutting for firefighter safety on what amounts to be a high-tech washing machine.
This means cleaner, safer gear and a smaller environmental footprint.
The machine uses pressurized liquid carbon dioxide as an additional layer to clean firefighter protective gear.
Nothing's more important to our company that we protect the people that protect us each and every day.
Chicago's fire department is the first in the country to use this added layer of cleaning. A process, they say, removes harmful chemicals that may seep into the gear and are not removed from traditional washing alone.
It's an added step. So we're still doing the traditional cleaning and the CO2 cleaning, which also removes the carcinogens. And that's what our main concern is for the safety of our firefighters.
CFD members get 2 sets of gear costing upwards of $4,000 each. The twice yearly maintenance, they say, extends the life of the gear by up to 3 more years. The CO2 is recycled and the contaminants are disposed of. For now, Chicago will not be charged for the CO2 process, which would normally add about $70 per set per cleaning.
She challenged me on that innovation is important, but we also are constrained physically, and there's only so much we can do.
That's exactly the conversation, because I was like, I have no money, I like what you want to do, but what can you do for me? And he stepped right up to the plate and said, let's get this going.
And the company that does this cleaning say they have now gotten inquiries not only from the New York City Fire Department, but also from CAL FIRE in California, asking about this carbon dioxide cleaning technology with the hope that they can as well incorporate it into their cleaning process. On the southwest side tonight, Sean Lewis, WGN News.